I was telling you about my trekking story in the morning. This tech never finished. Was still on the move. Oh. Hey, this was scarcity story. No be small thing. Oh. They'll share the move, sha. It's an exercise something, no. The one that happened to me this morning, I took warm water with lemon, and I found out that it hydrated my body. I think that's a very good remedy in the morning therapy. You can just take warm water and lemon in the morning. It can help you with all the activities of the day. You don't even feel hungry. You don't feel tired. You know what I'm saying? You got a person like I'm saying. Now I'm down under the sun. But the sun is good anyway. The Bible says that God is our sun and shield. You know what I'm saying? So let the sun shine. And the sun is shining. Hello. And the sun is shining. Your life is shining. My life is shining. Our life will continue to shine. Whether you like it or not. If you like, let them sell for 1 million naira, we must survive. In Jesus' name. Oh, thank God. Oh. So I'm just done for my activities of the day. Meanwhile, since Charity is still here, try and get your ticket. It's this Saturday live at NTA station. Okay?